So in this video, I'm gonna be trading Brandon's $50 account and flipping it to 500 plus profits in just hours, guys. So if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe, because here I share information that people literally pay for free. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I drop a video, right? So Brandon inboxed me saying he wants me to help him flip this $50 account to 500 plus profits, because he wants to use part of the money as tuition fees. He's going to university.
Oh my god! Wow!
So I said, why not if I can, right? So in this video, I'm gonna be flipping this $50 account to 500 plus profits in just hours, right? So yeah, let's get straight into the video. As you can see in the background, I'm just entering trades on VIX10, right? Let me give you a quick breakdown to why I'm entering these trades and what I expect from these trades. So as you can see, price has reached on my area of interest here, and then it formed a reversal pattern, which is a head and shoulders, and also it formed a double top. So I know to say from here price will fall all the way down to this level, right? So I had to put the FXB2B trend line as my other confirmation. So when I saw price breaking the FXB2B trend line, I just had to enter full margin, because I knew to say price will fall from there all the way down, right? So I wanted to capitalize fully on this trade, and with the confirmation that I had, it just showed me to say it's about to go down, right?
Yeah, boy.
And I sent the same exact signal in my VIP group so I can chop with my people, right? I love chopping with my people, so we just had to share the same exact setup so we can chop together. So yeah, let's just see how everything will turn up. So yeah, after a few minutes of waiting, boom, the trade is in profits. So what I did here was I closed the positions so I can re-enter with a bigger lot size, because I knew to say the market is still going down, right?
Okay.
So when you find a setup like this, you just have to make sure you milk it the whole way, guys. Like I'm telling you to say, it's not easy to find a good setup in Forex, trust me. So when you find one, make sure you milk it the whole way, but use proper risk management. Don't be like me here. I was being a little bit greedy because I wanted more, you know. So if you want more, you can also be greedy, but then one mistake you can easily kaboom, you know. So I knew what I was doing here, and I knew the points I was taking these trades, because I understand to say with full margin I can easily kaboom. Right? Like you have to use proper risk management if you don't know what you're doing. So yeah, I just had to enter, as you can see, with more lot size again so we can capitalize fully. But then I found another setup which looks so beautiful, guys, on Jump 100. So I had to enter full margin again on Jump 100. Like it was crazy, you know what I'm saying? So let me give you a quick breakdown on Jump 100 so that you know why I'm entering these sales. So I'm not just entering this trade on Jump 100. I was already on this trade on the other account, right? So I saw this pullback and I knew to say Jump is still going down, right? So that was just a pullback. That's why I'm entering this trade right here. So for you to understand why I'm entering this trade in details, I'll post another video of the account I was trading. That's why I'll get to explain to you what I was looking at for me to enter this trade, right? So I had to close VIX10 in profits, because I wanted to fully capitalize on this Jump 100, right? Because I know to say it's shooting down, guys. So what I did was just secure my profits on VIX10 so I can fully capitalize on Jump 100. So I ended full margin here, guys, and after waiting for a short period of time, boom, my profit target was hit. So I just had to close, because now my profit target is hit, which is 500 USD, and I'm now up 527 USD, which is crazy, by the way. If you want to learn how to trade like this from me personally, just make sure you DM me. I just recently launched the FXB2B strategy course, so just DM me and I'll fill you in on how you can join my mentorship. So yeah, see you in the next video. I'm out.
Girl, that was a crazy fight.
I'm super excited. It was really tough. It was fun. I enjoyed it. It was definitely a different ball game, but I had a blast, so thank you.
Mountain ground. горная поляна, таких мест, как здесь жаль, но осталось мало. Люди едут с Ямала, долго танцовых.